Greetings, fellow creators. Welcome back to Career Canva, your ultimate destination for unlocking the secrets of YouTube success. If you're tired of your content lurking in the shadows, you're in for a treat. Today, we're unveiling 7 SEO-powered strategies that will not only enhance your channel, but propel it to unprecedented heights. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of YouTube mastery. First up in our SEO arsenal, long-tail keywords. These are the secret sauce to reaching a more targeted audience. Instead of generic terms, use specific phrases relevant to your content. Tools like Ahrefs or Ubersuggest can help you uncover these hidden gems. Our thumbnail and title are the gatekeepers to your content. Make them magnetic. A/B test your thumbnails to see what works best and create titles that blend intrigue with clarity. Remember, the more clicks you get, the more YouTube will smile upon your playlists are an often underestimated tool for SEO. Organize your videos into playlists based on themes or topics. YouTube rewards playlists with higher visibility, keeping viewers engaged on your channel longer. Numbers tell a story, and YouTube Analytics is your treasure trove. Delve into your analytics regularly to understand your audience's behavior. Identify trends, discover popular search terms, and fine-tune your content strategy accordingly. Extend the life of your videos with end screens and cards. Encourage viewers to watch more of your content or subscribe by strategically placing end screens and cards throughout your videos. Boosting session watch time is a surefire way to climb the ranks. The YouTube algorithm loves consistency. Set a regular upload schedule that suits your workflow. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, stick to it. Consistency signals reliability, and YouTube rewards reliability. Don't overlook the power of transcription and captions. This not only makes your content more accessible, but also provides YouTube with additional data for indexing. Use tools like rev.com or YouTube's automatic captioning to add subtitles to your videos. There you have it, 7 advanced SEO strategies to transform your YouTube channel into a powerhouse. But this journey is ongoing. Which strategy are you most excited to implement? Let me know in the comments below, smash that like button, and hit subscribe to stay on top of our YouTube Mastery series. Thanks for tuning into Career Canva. Keep optimizing, keep creating, and watch as your channel reaches new heights. Until next time, happy creating, and I'll catch you in our next video.